Hey, welcome to Godcraft 239, I believe. Day 239, that is. We're on the test server, just testing a few things. Uh, Big update, Dork helped a lot today with PHP script he created for me. Well, he modified, but he did a good job, so he helped Godcraft, so thank him. Throw him a couple of gold or something. Basically, the portal system we had before was the proxy one, and the way it worked was it just had its own whitelist, and it was a simple, basically text file with each person's name on it. And I created a script a long time ago for that. It was like simple. Basically, I grabbed the information from the database. It was simple. Blah blah blah. Now, the VIP users were a little different. They needed to go into the permission system. But again, it was just a permission, and it was pretty easy, and blah, blah, blah. And it was easy to do, too. But then it came to the point where now we use permission for both of them, and I had to merge them somewhat. So yeah, he basically it wasn't a huge, like he made it pretty simple. Um, so basically, it puts it in the priority order, so VIP comes before. Actually, I wonder if he looked into that. Oh, that could be a problem. I think right now what happens is if you're a VIP member, it gets sorted at the bottom, but I wonder what happens if you're VIP 2 and then you have portal access. I'll have to look at that. I'm sure Dork did it okay. If not, he'll fix it. But you want to make sure VIP 3 is always first. VIP 3s, we're going to make it so they can use all the portals. VIP 2 and VIP 1 will just be the standard VIP. They won't have any special portal access or whatever. They'll just be the same as what they've always been. And then people who can buy portals individually for whatever. So we have to have that in a certain priority. So VIP 3 doesn't matter, but when it comes to VIP 2 and 1, they can't have the portal access override it, and the VIP 1 and 2 can't have the portal access override it. Instead, they have to sort of have the merge permissions. So it gets kind of messy, but I think he did that anyways. I don't think that's going to be a problem. But we'll find out in a few minutes when I ask him after this video. So basically, I showed you this before. We had the moon world, which is not even activated right now. We can just go like this to activate the moon world. Boom, there we are. It's the moon world. The second I activate that, you're through. As you can see, it's not too slow when you use the portal system. Hopefully that's a fast speed for you. Is that a little faster than what you guys saw yesterday? Is this how you expect the portals? Oh, look at this, building terrain. Fail! Fail! From what I don't even know why it does this, because it is super fast. Now it's going super slow. I don't understand what happens with the building terrain part. Maybe this is only a bug that happens with Nether, maybe? I don't know. Look at that. It makes it lag looking, but the world's fast. It's just weird. Yeah, see? So it must be just for Nether only. Hope Nether is not taxing on resources. Ah, by the way, this is just a bug right here. Ah. Oh crap. There we go. I see people were having problems here. Let me fix that for them then, because that's going to be a pain in the butt. See, I put that there because people kept breaking it, but I see now why they did. There we go. So you'll just have to go on this side, and I'll put bedrock here too, just so people can, there you go. But anyways, so let's go back to the Nether where my project is right now. So yeah, these are instant. So it's Nether that causes the problems. Oh, what is that? Was it dark and scary looking? I don't think I've ever seen it do this. Time, day? Yeah, there is no time here. Time, night. Weird. I don't think I've ever... Maybe it's like this. Doesn't it seem so scary and gloomy like it's not supposed to be? Freak, it's getting even worse. I wanted it to be all like Care Bear friendly. Okay, so By the way, people keep griefing on this server, so I just do what is it? Regen. Basically, just regenerates that land and puts it back to where it was. So just beside the gate doesn't quite look that way, but the rest is. So I'm going to go to our little testing facility. We've been testing the shops here. Everything works. The only thing we have not tested um, was whitelist and log block, which I can guarantee will work anyways, but we just wanted people to come on here, and log block I'll probably test and then just wipe. This is kind of cool. I jumped in there and died. So we tested this out. This was sort of like just testing basic permissions, so this is paid test. We basically pretend this is like people who paid for PvP access or VIP3. That worked. We had a few people test that out. Then this is my new one, which no one can access. The third line is the network name, and I actually have to give people individually or their group, so VIP or default or admin or mod or whatever, the access. So no one but me can access this. So it's going to be build a terrain again. Why? Because this is clearly just for me. No. This just happens when you go from Nether to main world, and it does it every time for some reason. So I'm going to another like main world, like a normal world, I guess you want to call it. It's kind of messy, but so this is our normal world. We're gonna leave here before creepers blow up things, because I won't let people over here, because I actually have to set up the permissions to, you know, deny spawns in the city, to deny block damage, things like that. So this is a very raw map right now. Anything can happen in this place right now. So yeah, I'm gonna leave before anything does actually happen. Look at my glass is still broken from like day one of this thing. Guess Sniper never fixed it. But yeah, anyways, as you can see, this is the PvP world. I'm not going to go back to the Nether. I can go MVTP world, I think it is. There we go. I can do, oh, I tested that. Was it Skylands 99, I think, or something? Yeah, there you go. So we got Skylands 88. Oh yeah, so this is a brighter looking Skylands than that one for some reason. You can go Skylands 77. Oh, this is gloomy. Ugh, so gloomy. Why? It's weird. It's almost like it does have day and night cycles in here. Yeah, like the snow's not bright. Look at the difference. 88? Bright? Yeah. Weird. And we got 66. I tried to generate these because people said, oh, you're just having bad luck. Well, look at this. These are all the ones I generated. Snow, 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 snow. People told me there was greenery. I haven't seen greenery yet. Look at that. Just more. Like, I want to see bright green. I don't want to see this dead... Ugh. 55. Oh, maybe that was the one we were in? I don't know. Or maybe that's... 44. So as you can see, I'm actually teleporting to different worlds. You guys may think, oh, you're just teleporting to place, but these are literally different worlds. This is like Godcraft plus another world, and I'm just showing you how, you know, fast and how, you know, simple it works. It's great. It's pretty awesome. So these are the sky worlds. They're pretty cool though. Oh, so maybe I've never done a. Oh, this is my very first original one, I guess. So yeah, only Nether seems to have the most complicated issues. I may even delay the Nether. This is my first portal I tried making. I may delay the Nether launch. I was thinking of doing that soon, but I really want to read up on the impact of Nether has on the server, because when you teleport to the Nether, it causes a lot of issues. Same when you leave it. But I noticed generating the Nether is way more complex than generating the main world. And I get a little worried about that, because I'm wondering when it loads and unloads those chunks, if it's actually going to create more load on the CPU, just because the way the Nether is made. So yeah, so we have everything pretty much tested. The biggest bug I want to test out is something like this. So I'm here and I'm a mod, or actually no, I'm a player, right? I set home here, and then I go to spawn. Look at this. So, slash home, it's not a huge deal because I can get back to... Oh, actually. Oh, because that world didn't... Oh, I don't know what happened there. Oh, I didn't... Oh, okay, I get it now. I don't have permission on that world. I only have permission on Skylands 99, I think. Ah, there we go. Okay, so I'm here, and let's just say I set home. I'm like, oh, okay. So I go to spawn, and blah, blah, blah. And now I can go home. Now, oh, okay, I don't know. This worked like 100 times before, so I'm not even sure what's going on here. I'll figure it out later. Ooh, yeah, it's causing errors. I'm looking at physical shops we use, which is a chest slash sign shop system where it doesn't use a database at all, and it's spamming crazy here, so that's bad. I wonder who's touching them right now. I'm gonna assume it's Dork, maybe. Oh, freak, the Nether. So the Nether always legs down. But what I was saying was teleporting and stuff. Somebody may have signed up for VIP and then save on a different world. And so I'm a little worried there's going to be some problems like that. Some people may be able to TP here, things like that. So I got to figure out some ways to prevent, certain things happening. But there's a guy right under here, and I need to find out what he's doing. I guess he was touching them. Yeah, it says, could not pass event player interact to physical shop. There was something different or new they did. Darn it, that's going to cause some problems. So that means physical shop is actually broken. Even though it may work somewhat, there's something definitely broken with it that may cause errors with the server. It's spamming, clearly, so I'm going to have to look into that. But anyways, I'm going to end this video here. As you can see, there's lots to come to Godcraft soon. I'm going to make VIP3 be able to have all portal access, so that's some good news for them. We have a poll up on the forums right now on the poll section. Nether or Skylands first. So go over there and vote, and I will make the final decision. For example, if Nether's winning and I find that Nether's can actually cause a lot of problems at first, so we need to wait a bit, we'll end up doing Skylands, or maybe reversal, right? If Skylands is going to get a revamp soon, but right now it looks too dull and gloomy, and I may end up waiting on that. But this is cool, like how you can explore like this. You guys probably can't even see this as well as I can, but that's it. Come to an end. But anyways, thank you for watching, guys, and have yourselves a wonderful day.